Okay, so now you want to export just this page, okay? So I would really like you to write your name down, okay? So at least I know who you are and the date, okay? April, let's say 20, okay? So write it down so you know I know who you are, okay? And let me just take a screenshot of this so that you can easily see what's happening, okay? So what you need to do, if you look at this screenshot, okay, is to click on this button over there, okay? So that is what you want to tick on. So I'm gonna do that right now, and it will take you to this box. Now do not tick export all, okay? Do not look at export all because you only want this one page. So you tick export this page, it will bring you here, okay? Export, and you can either choose to submit to Google Classroom, okay? Or if it is our daily work, okay, daily classwork, just tick on email and you can send it to me, okay? So that's how to do that one. Now, cancel. What, okay, what if I want to export more than one page? So it's the same thing. Go, okay, same thing. But instead of going here, you need to go here, okay? If you want to do multiple pages, okay, go to this area. Okay, I'm gonna tick that right now, and what it brings you to are all your pages. So tick on select, okay, and then you can choose which pages you want to send to me. And then same thing, okay, click on export, PDF, export, not Goodnotes, PDF, and send by email if it's daily classwork, okay? If it's not daily classwork, then you need to, okay, if it's not daily classwork, export it as a PDF, okay, to your Google Classroom, okay, and then choose which homework. Remember, daily classwork is, okay, daily classwork is sent by email, okay? You know that, okay? It needs to be a habit. So hopefully this will help you or teach you how to export one or multiple pages from Goodnotes to email or to Google Classroom, okay? Bye-bye.